When you first see the 2026 Toyota bZ4X, it's clear something's changed. It's sleeker and more refined. The black wheel arches are now more integrated, with body-colored fenders giving the SUV a cleaner look. The front fascia is smoother, and the lighting signature feels modern and elegant. Inside, the dashboard is slimmer and more streamlined. Many trims now feature a 14-inch touchscreen, giving the interior a more premium tech-forward feel. The layout is improved with better storage and thoughtfully placed controls. Ambient lighting adds warmth, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keep you connected easily under the hood. The bZ4X offers two battery options, a 57.7 kWh pack and a 73.1 kWh pack. The front-wheel drive version produces 221 horsepower, while the all-wheel drive model delivers 338 horsepower with dual motors. Range reaches up to 314 miles for the FWD model with a larger battery. Charging is faster and more convenient with NACS compatibility, plug-in charge, and an 11 kilowatts onboard charger. DC fast charging can reach 10 to 80% in about 30 minutes, with battery preconditioning for cold weather. Practicality is strong, cargo space is generous, and the AWD model can tow up to 1,500 kilograms. The ride is comfortable and composed, while regenerative braking is adjustable via steering wheel paddles. Handling focuses on efficient, reliable driving rather than sporty thrills. Safety and technology are robust, with improved visibility, driver assistance features, multiple USB-C ports, and wireless charging. Toyota also provides a battery care program covering up to 10 years, offering peace of mind. Every car has trade-offs. DC fast charging isn't the fastest in its class, and some may find the design more conservative than futuristic. Real-world range varies based on driving conditions. The 2026 bZ4X's strengths are clear: more power, better range, flexible charging, improved usability, and Toyota reliability. It's practical, capable, and a smart choice for anyone looking for a trustworthy everyday electric SUV. In short, the 2026 Toyota bZ4X is a meaningful step forward, addressing previous criticisms while offering options for FWD or AWD in small or large battery packs, making it a solid pick for a practical, everyday EV SUV.